The new Nano Banana Pro AI image model has officially arrived on Higgsfield, and it's proving to be a true game changer in the world of visual creativity. Whether you need a powerful AI image editor, want to produce high-quality cinematic movie poster, or work as a professional Photoshop artist seeking fresh creative possibilities, or belong to an ad agency looking to showcase products effortlessly, Nano Banana Pro delivers exceptional results across every scenario. After exploring the latest update, I believe Nano Banana Pro is currently the best AI image model available. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the new Nano Banana Pro update.
Before we move ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we will upload a new content.
Click the link given in the description below to visit the Higgsfield AI website. First, sign up using your Gmail or any other email account. Once you log in, this page will appear. To start creating an image with new Nano Banana Pro, click here or go to the Image button at the top and select Nano Banana Pro to open the workspace. After coming to this interface, first, we enter our prompt in the prompt box. I am entering the detailed prompt that I generated using ChatGPT. Next, we go to the Model section, where Nano Banana Pro is already selected. After that, we choose the aspect ratio for our image. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro offers many aspect ratio options. I am selecting 16:9, which was not available in the older Nano Banana version. Now, we click on this icon to select the image quality. In Nano Banana Pro, we can choose 1K, 2K, and even up to 4K quality. By enabling the unlimited option, we can generate images for free and without any limit. Finally, click the Unlimited button, and within a short time, our image will be ready. You can see that it looks very professional and has been generated exactly according to our prompt, which is really impressive. Since I want the woman and man to appear a little closer in the image, I will add this line to the prompt and click the Unlimited button again to see the new result. After a short wait, the generation is complete, and now the man and woman have been positioned closer exactly as requested. To download the image, simply click on the down arrow icon. Let's try generating another image. First, we enter our prompt in the prompt box. I have entered this detailed prompt so that I can test how it generates image according to our prompt this time. Leave all other settings as they are, only disable the unlimited option so the image generates faster, and then click on the Generate button. In just a few moments, the result appears in front of us. As you can see, it has created an excellent image exactly according to the prompt, and the quality is truly outstanding. Now, I want to make a small change. First, click on the plus icon and upload the image of the person I want to include in the scene. Then, add this line to the prompt. The woman from this image should be shown in this scene. After that, click the Generate button and see how it updates the result according to the new instruction. Within a short time, you can see the wonderful output. It has not only met but exceeded my expectations. Nano Banana Pro has perfectly merged the prompt with the photo I uploaded. Okay, now, let's convert this image into a video and try to see what kind of result we get from the combination of Nano Banana Pro and Google Veo 3. To begin, click on the Video button, and this interface will appear. Our image is already loaded. In the description box, you can enter a prompt for the video you want to generate, but I will leave it blank for now. Next, go to the Model section and choose any model from the many options available. I will select Google Veo 3.1 Fast. Then, I'll set the resolution to 1080p and choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio. You can also select the video duration, 4, 6, or 8 seconds. Finally, click the Generate button, and here is the output. Just take a look at this result, it's on an entirely different level. The combination of Nano Banana Pro and Veo 3 has delivered a complete package: smooth dynamic motion, immersive background music, and a truly cinematic feel. The girl appears to be genuinely walking through the snow, making it almost impossible to distinguish that the scene was created by AI. Now, I will test Nano Banana Pro again with different images. To return to Nano Banana Pro, click on the image button at the top and select Nano Banana Pro from the menu. This brings us back to the Nano Banana Pro workspace. We will keep the first image as it is and upload our second image. Now, I will enter the prompt that combines both images. The woman from image 1 should be shown standing on the edge of this pool. Leave all other settings unchanged, and then click the Generate button. Wow! Just look at this, it's absolutely amazing. The outcome is absolutely seamless and blends together remarkably well. The result appears smooth, realistic, and nearly flawless. In fact, if you showed this image to someone, they would never suspect it was created from two separate photos. That's how naturally everything fits. Nano Banana Pro has delivered exceptional quality once again. Let's try uploading another 2 different images to see if we can achieve the desired result this time. In the prompt box, I enter the following instruction: the woman in image number 2 should be shown standing in the image number 1. The image should show the girl's body up to her knees. Finally, hit the Generate button. Again, the result is mind-blowing. Exactly as instructed in our prompt, it has seamlessly merged both images. You can see the original images. And Nano Banana Pro has skillfully combined them to create this final result. Now, let's convert this image into a video. To do this, click on the Animate button and select Video, which will bring up the familiar interface. Here, enter your prompt in the prompt box. I will leave all other settings unchanged and then click the Generate button to see the result from our image.
Isn't this place just beautiful? I can't wait to show you the cottage.
The result is incredible. The video looks so natural, the lighting, motion, and facial expressions all flow seamlessly, making it look like a real-life scene. To download the video, click on this down arrow button. Now we will try to generate a product ad using Nano Banana Pro. For this purpose, we'll return to the Nano Banana Pro workspace. First, delete both the existing images and the prompt, then upload a new image. In the description box, I'll enter the prompt and click the Generate button. Fantastic! It has created an impressive ad image exactly according to our prompt, showing a girl eating chips. Next, let's convert this image into a video to see the final output of our ad. Once the interface opens, I'll enter a detailed prompt that I prepared using ChatGPT. We'll leave all other settings unchanged and click the Generate button to create the video, and here is the output.
This one's my favorite flavor.
It has produced an impressive advertisement video featuring the girl enjoying chips, highlighting the model's remarkable creative capabilities. What makes this particularly groundbreaking is that ad agencies can now generate high-quality advertisements effortlessly using this technology, without incurring additional production costs. Now, let's make one final attempt to generate a poster for an upcoming movie. I've prepared a detailed prompt with the help of ChatGPT and entered it here. Next, click the Generate button. Wow! The result is truly impressive, far exceeding my expectations with an outstanding, professional quality outcome. This actually looks like a poster for an upcoming movie, featuring a highly cinematic look. It has been generated precisely according to our prompt, and even the text placement and spelling is flawless. I am extremely impressed with the capabilities of Nano Banana Pro. And that's Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, transforming tasks that once took hours into creations you can achieve in seconds. From lifelike expressions to cinematic lighting, every image is exceptional. Experience it for yourself and start creating your own stunning visuals today.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out my upcoming videos.